Say hi. Hello, hello, guys. Look he's working over here. Well, we are very hungry. Yeah, I said hungry. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? So, we are very hungry and I already prepped for our lunch and I went to take bath. I'm done with everything. I'm nice and clean. So I'm gonna make lunch really quick. We had leftover lentils. So I made a dough out of this and added some chopped onions, spices and made a dough. And I'm just gonna make parathas with this and it's gonna go with some yogurt. And it's gonna be delicious. I cleaned my patio because it was raining from last, I don't know, 2 weeks or 1 week. So finally it's sunny outside. I cleaned everything. It looks beautiful and fresh and clean. And we got these lights from Target. So we're gonna put this light in our patio today. So we got 2 sets of these here. It's for indoor and outdoor use. Where is it written? Here. Indoor and outdoor use. So we're gonna put this today. And look at the sky here because I'm gonna cook food. So he's here. Marvel! Baby, lunch is ready. Okay, so I made this onion parathas, onion and lentil parathas. We're gonna have it with some yogurt. So here's yogurt. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys, we did a little thing in our patio which we always wanted to do. We put these hanging lights here. And this guy is enjoying in the patio here. So we had a very big palm tree over here, but Marvel literally pulled out the entire tree, entire plant. This is the light. And it's beautiful weather outside. He's sleeping over here. It's almost dinner time. So I'm gonna give him food. We're gonna go for a walk, and then I'm gonna come back and make our dinner. And I'm gonna eat something very plain, simple. So I'll show you what I'm eating. So guys, this fence you can see. So right after this fence over here is the walking trail of this community. And this is really so amazing. After this jungle and these trees, there's a lake behind that. So it's really nice. You can come, you can take a jog, you can do jogging, you can take your dogs for a walk over here. So it's pretty good, you know. There is my again Marvel. And this is also a trail here, this one, for to walk your dog or anything, to jog or anything. So it's really nice so that we don't have to take our dog on the road and look for the cars or anything like that. So this way, I really love it over here.
tortoise.
Oh wow, see, Marvel's friend is here. I don't know whether you can see it or not. There's a tortoise inside there. So this is the walking trail I was telling you about. So this is like this. You can enter from here and it has like many exits and entrance. So this is the way it is. And we're taking him to just like an open park for him to run around. We're just going there. So. He is directly gonna go. Marvel, your dinner is over here.
Okay, so we are back home. We dropped out our plans to go and play with him because they did a pest control spray all over the grass. So we were not supposed to have any pets there because it's not good for their health if they eat the grass. And we came home, it's almost sunset, and the patio is looking more and more beautiful. Look at the weather outside. Who would believe that this is past 8 o'clock in Florida? Like, looks like literally that we have like blue lights outside and yellow lights inside. Look at that. It's like a scenery in the background. So that's the patio. He's done eating. Just double checking if anything is left. Drinking water. And then checking again, just in case. Just looking at the walls.
Tummy full.
And he's just gonna go sit and relax. Marvel, you done?
Okay, so I have one chicken breast here with some salt, pepper, and olive oil. I'm going to air fry it. I might just put it air fryer for 20 minutes over 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And here I'm going to cook some quinoa and peas, some onion. Olive oil, air frying for 20 minutes. It's gonna be done now. And I have some shredded carrots over here, half tomato. Half tomato for my topping, and here I have some quinoa and green peas with some onion and some salt, pepper, garlic powder. And I'm gonna combine all this together, and this is gonna be our dinner. And Mayank is gonna do shake, I think. Are you gonna do shake or are you gonna have my dinner?
I am gonna do shake.
Shake, so I'm gonna enjoy this dinner.
Energy. Go get your toy. Go get your toy. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Where's your ball?
Go, get it, go.
Go. तुम छुप तो जाना. Where's your bone? Where's your bone? You found your bone. You found your bone. Here. Get your bone. Go. No, that's your reflection in the mirror. That is your reflection. You get your bone. Yes, it's a playtime, I think. Marvel, find mommy. Where's mommy? Find mommy. You found her.
You found mommy and
Come on, out.
Toy. Here, take it, run. Go.
You found mommy in the kitchen store. You are such a good boy. Okay. So dinner is served.
Yes, my dinner is ready.
Look at this delicious quinoa with chicken and tomatoes.
These are air fried chicken and they are so delicious. You have no idea. If you haven't eaten this air fried chicken, do try it.
Okay. So now that we are gonna have our dinner, we are going to end this vlog right here, right now, in the kitchen. So we're gonna go enjoy our dinner.
Sorry.
She does that all the time, intentionally. And then she says sorry so I don't get back at her. Which I will. Okay guys, good night. Keep enjoying our vlogs. Give us suggestions if you want something else from us, like any ideas, anything. If you have questions, comment, like, let us know what you think. Don't forget to check out our other vlogs for fitness and recipes. And let us know if you want to see us cooking anything. Bye-bye.
Bye.